See, in the last class, you can ask Nishka sir. He'll send you.
Okay.
Yeah. We did distance formula. Right. Give me a minute. I'll tell you about that. Rahman, in 2D, do you remember the distance formula between 2 points, x1 and y1?
Yes, sir.
Tell me the formula.
So x2 minus x1 divided by y2 minus y1
No, no,
plus
not the slope formula. Distance formula.
plus y2 minus y1
Whole square under root, right?
root. Yes, sir.
So in 3D, what happens is this is x1, y1, z1. We have three coordinates in 3D. Distance formula is same as above. Just add the z coordinates also. All right. This is the distance between 2 points. Write it down. We'll be needing this in today's class. All right. So all of you try to find distance between 5, 6, and 7, comma 2, 3, and 2. All right. Distance between A and B. All of you try to find this. Rahman, do you have the answer? What is the distance between AB? All right. Let's see how to find this. Root 35. So this is 5 minus 4 whole square. 6 minus 3 whole square plus 7 minus 2 whole under root. So this is 1 plus 3 square is 9 plus 5 square is 25. So under root 35. Absolutely right. Rahman, this is clear? How
Yes,
to find distance? All right. And one thing more we did in the last class, you can watch the lectures for that. All right. It would be very lengthy in here. Okay, that is how to find the octants. All right. Okay, so try to solve this question. All right, this question is for everyone. Mazia, Peer, Livia, find the coordinate of a point equidistant from the 4 points that is origin 0, 0, A is a, 0, 0, B is 0, B, 0, and C is 0, 0, C. All right. You have to find a point P that is equidistant from A, B, and C and D. Sorry, O. That means PA is equals to PP is equals to PC equals to PO. All right. How to solve this? Assume the point P as x, y, z. All right. Equate these two equations, these two equations, these two equations. We have three equations and three variables. You can solve. All right. Find the value of x, y, and z. All right. Try to solve this. I'll give you a few minutes. Mazia, is this clear?
Yes.
All right. Peer, Rahman.
yes, sir.
All right. Try to solve. Mazia, Rahman, solve this. Peer, what happened? Okay, see, you're doing all right. See, first we can write OP equals to OA, right? OP equals to OA, sorry, not OA, AP. AP equals to OP. So what will the distance OP will be? X minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square plus z minus 0 whole square. And if I square both sides, then under root will cancel, and this will be equals to AP. AP will be x minus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square plus z minus 0 whole square, right? So this is cancelled. So we have x square equals to x square minus 2ax plus a square. So x square and x square is also cancelled. So 2ax is equals to a square, and that means x is equals to a upon 2, right? This will be the first value. In the second equation, we can write PA equals to PB. The value of PA we already know, x minus a whole square plus y square plus z square is equals to PB, and PB would be x square plus y minus b whole square plus z square. So z square and z square is cancelled. Here if we write x square plus a square minus 2ax plus y square is equals to x square plus y square plus b square minus 2yb. X square y square x square y square is cancelled. Let's put the value of x as a by 2. So this is a by 2 means 2 and 2 cancelled, a square is cancelled. That means 2 2yb is equals to b square. So y equals to b upon 2. Alright. In the third equation, we can write pb equals to pc. So the value of pb is x square plus y minus b whole square plus z square, and this is equals to x square plus y square plus z minus c whole square, right? So this is x square plus y square minus 2yb plus b square plus z square is equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus c square minus 2zc. This is cancelled. The value of y is 2b by 2. So this is b square is also cancelled. So c square is equals to 2zc. So z is c by 2. So the point is a by 2, b by 2, and c by 2. Is it clear? Rahman, is it clear? Mazia? Okay. Next question. find the locus Rahman, you can take the equation PC and PO also, no issues. You will get the same answer. All right. We just needed 3 equations for 3 variables. So you can take any 3. All right, Rahman.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Find the locus of the point which is equidistant from the points A is 0, 2, 3 and B is 2, minus 2, 1. All right. So locus here means you just have to find the equation in x, y, and z. All right. Just complete the condition. Equidistance means assume the point as x, y, z, and whatever equation you have in this is the locus. All right. Try to solve this. Have you solved this? Rahman, Mazia, Peer? Okay, so let's assume the point P is x comma y comma z, and this point is equidistant from A and B. So PA equals to PP, I can write, or PA square is equals to PB square, I can write, so that under root is cancelled. So x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus z minus 3 whole square is equals to 2 minus or x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square plus z minus 1 whole square. Open these brackets. We have x square plus y square plus 4 minus 4y plus z square plus 9 minus 6z is equals to x square plus 4 minus 4x plus y square plus 4 plus 4y plus z square plus 1 minus 2z. So x square, y square, z square is cancelled both sides. What is left here? Minus 4y and 13 minus 7 plus 7 is equals to, this is minus 4x plus 4y minus 2z and 4 plus 4 8 plus 1 9. Now let's bring all of this to one side. So we have 4x minus 8y plus 2z minus 2 is equals to 0. We can take 2 common, so we have 2x minus 4y plus z minus 1 is equals to 0. Is it clear? This is the locus. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, I think I did one mistake. This is 6z, not 6. So I think these steps are wrong. As I can see, this is wrong. I subtracted 13 minus 6, but that was 6z. All right. Okay. So in this side we have 13, that is minus 4y minus 6z plus 13 is equals to minus 4x plus 4y minus 2z plus 9, right? So this is 4x minus 8y minus 4z plus 4 is equal to 0. So taking 4 common, we have x minus 2y minus z plus 1 is equal to 0. This will be the answer. Is it clear, everyone? Rahman, Nazia, Peer, Alvia? No response at all. All right. Moving ahead. Write down section formula.
Sir, can you scroll up?
Inform me when you are done. All right.
Done, sir.
All right. Write down section formula. Okay. In class 10th also you studied about section formula, right? If you had a line AB and this was x1 comma y1, this was x2 comma y2, and the point P was there. Suppose this is x comma y, then this P divides the line AB in m is to n ratio, right? Or m1 is to m2 ratio. So how did we locate the point coordinate of P? So we wrote x coordinate as n into x1 plus m into x2 upon m plus 1, m plus n. Same for y, n into y1 plus m into y2 upon m plus n, right? This into this one, this into this one, that is x coordinate. Same for y, this into this into this. And in 3D also, that is the same formula, right? First thing is internally. What that means is, if the division is internal, and what internal means, if this is the line AB, then the point dividing this line is inside AB. All right, inside the line segment AB. Suppose this divides into m into n ratio. And this point is x1, y1, and z1, and this is x2, y2, and z2. So the coordinates of P, x, y, and z will be x is equals to n into x1 plus m into x2 upon m plus n. Y coordinate will be n into y1 plus m into y2 upon m plus n, and z coordinate will be n into z1 plus m into z2 upon m plus n. Right, write it down and we'll move ahead. Done? All right. So I hope this is clear. Very easy. Write down. If P is the midpoint of line AP, then X coordinate will be x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Y coordinate will be y1 plus y2 by 2. Z coordinate will be z1 plus z2 by 2. All right. If P is the midpoint, then this becomes the coordinates. Write it down also. All right. So this was internal division. Another thing is external division. What that means is if the line segment is AB, then the point lies outside the line segment. This is P. And the ratio will be, this will be M and this will be N. All right. This is X1, Y1, Z1. This is X2, Y2, Z2. We have to find this X, Y, and Z. So in here, X coordinate of P will be, see in here, this one into this one. All right. Always remember like this: the smaller one into the farther one. So n into x1 minus m into x2 divided by n minus m. All right. Don't reverse this. Whatever you write first, you have to write first in the denominator also. Same with y. This will be ny1 minus my2 upon n minus m. All right. N y1 m y2. Same for z coordinate, nz1 minus mz2 upon n minus m. Is it clear? Mazia, is it clear? Rahman? All right. Note it down. With this diagram. All right. Write it down with this diagram. All right. Solve a question. Find the coordinate of the point which divides the join of P, it is 2 comma minus 1 comma 4, and Q 4 comma 3 comma 2 in the ratio 2:3 internally. All right, try to solve this. This is x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2. This is m and n. You just have to apply the formula, internal formula, right? Try to find the answers. All right. All right. So the point P is 2 comma minus 1 comma 4. Q is 4 comma 3 comma 2. We have the line PQ. Suppose the point is A, and this is x comma y comma z. This is 2, this is 3. So 2:3 is the ratio. So we know that x coordinate of A will be 3 into 2 plus 2 into 4 divided by 2 plus 3. This is equal to 6 plus 8, 14 upon 5. Y coordinate of A will be same method, 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3, 2 into 3, 6. That means 3 upon 2 plus 3, that is 3 upon 5. Same about Z coordinate, 3 into 4, that is 12, plus 2 into 2 upon 2 plus 3. 12 plus 4 is 16 upon 5. Right? This is 3 upon 5. So the coordinates are 14 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 16 upon 5. This is the point A. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. Next question. Find the ratio in which the line joining the points A 1, 2, 3 and B minus 3, 4, minus 5 is divided by the xy plane. And find the coordinate of the point of the division. How to solve this question? I'll give you some hint. See, this is AB. Suppose this is the xy plane. All right. So in xy plane, if there is any point, then that means the z coordinate is 0. So assume the ratio to be k:1. All right. The value of m is k, n is 1. Let k:1. So we know that the z coordinate will be 0. From that, find the value of k, then find x coordinate and y coordinate. Right, first try to find the z coordinate, because you already know z coordinate will be 0. Then you'll get the value of k, then you can find the value of x and y. All right, try to solve this. I'll give you some minutes. All right, have you solved it? Rahman, Mazia, Peer? Okay, let's see. I assume the coordinates to be x comma y comma 0, right? Because it is in xy plane and the ratio is k is to 1. So I can write 0, the z coordinate is equals to 1 into 1 plus k into minus 3 upon 1 plus k. So this is 0. That means 1 minus 3k is 0. That means k is 1 upon 3. All right. So k is 1 upon 3. That means the ratio is 1 is to 3. So now we have 2 points AB, and this point P is in dividing this in 1 is to 3 ratio. So we know this point and this point, 1 comma 2 comma 3, and this is minus 3 comma 4 comma minus 5. So now x coordinate is very easy. xp is 3 into 1 minus 3 upon 1 plus 3, and this is 0. Yp will be 3 into 2 plus 1 into 4 upon 4, that is 6 plus 4, 10 upon 4 is 5 upon 2. So the coordinate is 0 comma 5 upon 2 comma 0. All right, I hope this is clear. All right, did I write the z coordinate wrong? Yes, I wrote the z coordinate wrong. Nobody is even saying this. So nobody is focused in the class, I believe. This is 1 into 3, not 1 into 1. So this is 3 minus 3. So the value of k is 1. Okay, who is listening to the class right now? Just tell me this. Mazia, are you here? So why are you guys not responding at all? Your mics never work. You don't reply at all. See, if you guys don't want to study, I can just come to the class and give you questions and tell the theory and leave. But if you really want to score some marks, then you have to be responsive, right? If you know, then tell. If you don't know, at least tell me if you don't know, right? Alvia hasn't spoken in last at least 8 classes. If it is little confusing, then who are you going to tell to? You have to tell me, right, that it is confusing so that I can simplify this. If you don't even say anything, how am I supposed to know? Why is your mic not working at all? All right. Now, if you guys don't give me any response, and I'll just give the question, solve it, and move ahead. All right. That will be the core thing what we do in our class. If you don't at all reply, all right. See, here I missed this z coordinate. Nobody is even correcting, right? Nobody is even looking at this. Let's solve this question again. Try to solve this question again. You guys solve it. Now that you know the method, this point was 1, 2, 3. This was minus 3, 4, minus 5. All right. There is a point in xy plane. This is x, y, 0. Assume the ratio to be k is to 1. All right. I need the values of x coordinate and y coordinate. Try to solve. I'll give you 5 minutes. All right. Solve for z coordinate. Peer, you know the formula? Yes or no? Then apply the formula for z coordinate. Right. This is the ratio. The value of m is k, n is 1. All right. Just apply the formula. You'll get the value of k. All right. Then you can solve for x coordinate and y coordinate. Try to solve this. If you cannot solve this, then tell me. All right. That's where I am not able to solve this. If you just keep silent, then there is no point. Same for Rahman, Mazia, Alvia. Is it clear?
Yes.
All right. Peer, have you solved this? You are getting it wrong. How do you know this is wrong? Do you have the correct answer? Then don't assume the answer is alright. Just trust the process. Whatever answer you will get is correct. All right. Mazia, what about you? Rahman, that is all you have to do in this question. You just have to find the coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinate. All right, send me the answers. And peer, don't judge the answers. All right, just touch the formula, apply the formula. The answer will be correct. All right, if the calculations are right. Rahman, you can find the value of k also, right? Using the z coordinate. Apply the formula for z coordinate. From that, you will find the value of k. All right, peer, you are getting 3. Okay. Now let's see. First, we know the z coordinate as 0. So let's name this point P. We know that ZP is 0. And how to find z coordinate? Multiplying this with the z coordinate. So minus 5k plus 1 into 3 upon k plus 1 is equals to 0. Cross multiplying this, we have minus 5k plus 3 is equals to 0. That means k is equals to 3 upon 5. Now we have the ratio. This is 3, this is 5, this is 1, 2, 3. This is minus 3, 4, minus 5. Now you can find x coordinate, y coordinate, and z coordinate. We already know. So x coordinate will be 3 into minus 3 plus 5 into 1 upon 8. So minus 9 plus 5, it is minus 4. upon 8, so minus half. Y coordinate will be 3 into 4 plus 5 into 2 upon 8, that is 12 plus 10, 22 by 8, that is 11 upon 4. So that is these are the coordinates. Is it clear, Rahman? Rahman, is it clear? All right, Mazia. All right. Peer, is it easy right now? Or still a bit confusing? All right, Mazia, were you saying anything? All right, let's try next question. Find the ratio. Whenever they ask about find the ratio, assume the ratio to be k is to 1. All right. Find the ratio in which the join A point is 2, 1, 5 and B 3, 4, 3 is divided by the plane two x plus 2y minus 2z equals to 1. Also find the coordinates of the point of the division. All right. In this question also assume this is point P and the coordinates are x, y, z. All right. Assume the ratio k is to 1. Find the x coordinate, y coordinate and z coordinate in the terms of k and 1. Apply the formula. All right. Find xp, phi and zp using the formula. All right. In the terms of k. Now this point is in this plane 2x plus 2y minus 2z equals to 1. That means these coordinates, if I put in this equation, they will satisfy. So put the values of x, y and z in this equation. You will find the value of k. All right. I'll give you some time. Try to solve this. Peer, understood? All right. No, Rahman. See, in this, you have to find x, y, z. All right, in the terms of k. Here, z coordinate is not 0. All right, find x coordinate, y coordinate, z coordinate in the terms of k, just like you did in the previous question. Put these values in the equation, this equation. All right, you'll find the value of k. All right, let's see. All right, here 2 points are A and B. This coordinate is 2, 1, 5. This is 3, 4, 3. I'm assuming the ratio to be k:1. So x, y, and z. This is p. So xp will be 1 into 2 plus 3 into k upon k plus 1. So this is 2 plus 3k upon k plus 1. Yp will be 1 into 1 plus 4k upon k plus 1. 1 plus 4k upon k plus 1. Zp will be 5 into 1 plus 3k upon k plus 1. I did nothing but apply the formula. All right, Peer, is it clear till now? I did nothing except applying the formula, right? Now see, they are saying this point xp, yp, zp is in this plane 2x plus 2y minus 2z equals to 1, right? This point P lies in this plane. So these coordinates will satisfy this equation. So let's put the value of x, y, and z in this equation. All right. So this will be 2 into the value of x coordinate is 2 into 2 plus 3k into k plus 1 plus 2 into the y coordinate is 1 plus 4k upon k plus 1 minus 2 into z coordinate will be 5 plus 3k upon k plus 1, and this is equals to 1. Simplifying this, we'll get the value of k, right? So this is 4 plus 6k plus 2 plus 8k minus 10 minus 6k upon k plus 1. Taking LCM, this equals to 1. So 4 plus 2, 8 minus 10 is minus 2. 6 plus 8, 14 minus 6, 8k is equals to k plus 1. So 7k is equals to 3. So k is equals to 3 upon 7. Now put the values of k in these equations, xp, yp, and zp. We'll get the coordinates. Is it clear? Peer, is it clear? Rahman, Mazia, clear now?
Yes.
All right. So these are very easy questions. All right. These are lengthy but easy questions. Next question. The midpoints of the sides of a triangle are 1, 5, minus 1, 0, 4, minus 3, 2, 3, 4. Find its vertices. All right. They are saying there is a triangle. The midpoints of the sides are given. All right. 1, 5, minus 1, 0, 4, minus 3, 2, 3, 4. So assume the coordinates as x1, y1, z1, x2 comma y2 comma z2, x3 comma y3 comma z3. All right. This is lengthy question, but very easy question. So the midpoint formula, use the midpoint formula. You can write x1 plus x2 by 2 is 1. Same with x2 plus x3 by 2 is 2. And x1 plus x3 by 2 is 0. So in that way, 3 variable, 3 equations, you can solve for x, y, and z. All right. You have to solve 9 equations in this question. But they are very easy equations. You can solve this in 2 minutes. All right. Is it clear? Peer? All right. Try to solve this. All right. Peer. Solve for each one, x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. Rahman, are you able to solve this? Mazia? Mazia, you are not audible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, are you able to solve this?
I'm trying.
All right.
Hmm.
Yes, Rahman.
Sir, at first, which coordinates do we have to find?
Just solve for x coordinates, then solve for y coordinates, then z. All right. First, try to find all the values of x. So midpoints of x1 plus x2 by 2 will be 1, right? Midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 by 2 is the midpoint of x coordinate. Same with x2 plus x3 by 2 will be 2, and x1 plus x3 by 2 will be 0. Solve these equations, you will get the value of x1, x2 and x3. Then do this for y and z. All right, try to solve.
Sir, what is this written at the right side?
Sorry,
Sir, I didn't understand this one.
Rahman, you are audible but very low sound. Okay, this one, this is x3, y3 and z3. x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, x3, y3, z3.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. All right, Rahman, have you solved this? So in these equations, we can write down x1 plus x2 is equals to 2.
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
what to do after finding all the till z coordinates?
Rahman, your voice is not loud enough.
Sir, what to do after finding all the z coordinates till z coordinates?
Yeah, that is the answer, right? You have to find the vertices. So if you found x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, x3, y3, z3, then that is the answer. All right. You have to find the vertices of this triangle, and that is what we have to solve. So x1 plus x2 is equal to 2, and x2 plus x3 is equal to 4. If I subtract this from this, then I can write x1 minus x3 is equal to minus 2. From here, I can write x1 plus x3 is equal to 0. Adding this, 2x1 is minus 2, x1 is minus 1. If x1 is minus 1, then x2 is 3. If x2 is 3, then x3 is 1. So we have x coordinates of all the vertices. Same way we can calculate y and z. Clear?
Sir, can you explain once again? I didn't understand.
All right. You know the midpoint formula, right? I told you after the internal section
Yes.
formula. So for this x coordinate, I can write x1 plus x2 by 2 is equals to 1, because 1 is the midpoint of x1 and x2.
Yes.
Same with x2 plus x3 divided by 2 is 2, and same with x1 plus x3 divided by 2 is equals to 0, because this is the x coordinate. From this, I can write x1 plus x2 is equals to 2, cross multiplying this. From this, I can write x2 plus x3 is equals to 4. Now this is just simultaneous equation, right? We are solving for 3 variables. I subtracted this equation. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. If you do 1 minus 2, you will have x1 minus x3 is equals to minus 2, because equation 1 is x1 plus x2 is equals to 2. Equation 2 is x2 plus x3 is equals to 4. If you subtract them, x2 and x2 is cancelled. x1 minus x3 is equals to 2 minus 4. Right, Raman?
Yes, sir.
Now from equation, this is equation 3, you can write x1 plus x3 is to 0. Add them. So this is cancelled. So 2x1 is minus 2. So x1 is minus 1. Now
Okay.
if you have value, right, x1, then you can find x2 putting in equation 1 and so on. Now the question is simply solving the simultaneous equation. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mazia, is it clear?
Yes.
All right. Peer, Alvia. All right. This is all for today's class. Finish the NCRT of 3D geometry. All right. Till the next class.
Sir, is
All
this
right.
chapter over?
Very short thing is left. All right. Just Android. 15 minutes is left. But you can try the NCRT, all the questions. All right. No worries there. And in the next class, we'll be starting probability. All right.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then see you in the next class. Take care and complete the assignments also.